Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make levain. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place chopped apple, honey, check water temperature, which should be between 45 and 50 degrees Celsius. It's not. I'm gonna microwave for a few seconds. It has reached the temperature. I'm gonna pour. And stir. I'm gonna transfer to a container with lid. And leave at room temperature for 24 hours. 24 hours have passed. I'm gonna stir. And leave for more 24 hours at room temperature. 24 hours have passed. I'm gonna strain. Discard the chopped apple. Weigh 50 grams of liquid. Add wholemeal flour. Stir. Transfer to the same container with lid. and leave 24 hours at room temperature. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!